Are you currently having the problem with Instagram Live not eligible and you want to be able to fix this for your account? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because myself, I used to have the exact same problem before, but I'm going to show you exactly how I myself was able to fix this problem quite quickly. So what you're going to do is to firstly go into your Instagram app. So go into your Instagram app and then you should be taken to this page right here. So go into your profile and then click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit until you get where it says help. So click on help, click on report a problem in here. Now once again, click on report a problem. Click on include and continue. Now you should be taken to this page right here. So now you're going to write exactly like this to the support, because myself, I did this exact same thing and it worked. So I'm going to show you what I wrote. I am having issues with my Instagram Live not being eligible. Please fix this for me. So this is exactly what you need to write to them. I am having issues with my Instagram Live not being eligible. Please fix this for me. Now click on send in the top right corner. Now some of you might wonder what do I have to do after this, and this is a great question. What you're going to do after you have submitted this to them is to wait about 1 to 2 business days for the Instagram support to see that you have actually contacted them about this problem. They will not respond back to you, just so you know. What will happen instead is that after 1 to 2 business days you can try again, and hopefully this will now be solved for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.